Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create model types, which define the specific versions of your assets. Let's jump in. If asset types are your categories, model types are the specific versions within those categories. For example, under laptops, you might have models like Apple MacBook Pro, Dell XPS, or HP EliteBook. To create a model, go to Maintenance and select Models. Click Add New. Enter the manufacturer, for example, Apple. Then enter the model name. We'll use Generic for this example. Next, select the asset type this model belongs to. You'll also see an option for asset class. In most cases, you'll use Base Asset, which means it's a standalone item. There are other options for more complex setups, but if you're just getting started, you can keep it simple. Click Save. Now your model is ready. In the next video, we'll add your first asset.